In this video I'm going to show you how you can use both transition along with some of the other things we can actually use from CSS. So in this video I just changed my photo. Before I had two of these 100x100, but right now they were both white and black, and I need one with color. So for this example to work on your computer, you need to locate an image with colors on this, because we're going to make it grayscale in this case. So find an image, put it in, and again remember to size it. So if it's not sized, remember to do that in, for example, in your HTML. So where you put it in, you can just inside the image tag put a width with 100 and it will scale it down. Now in my CSS I want to locate where this is, and it's located in this box container. I'm going to do a similar thing as I did before. I'm going to hit this box container because that's where we have our images right now. So I want to create a transition for this like we had before. Transition. There we go. And let's do 0.5 seconds in this one and ease. And right now that's the transition from going to full color to full grayscale, so removing all colors. But as you can see, I already have a box container up here, and we only want to change the images in this, so not everything in here when we hover things. We only want the images, and images have a internet or a HTML tag, as you can see here, the blue one, img. So we can go into our CSS again, and where we just wrote this add box underscore container, and just right after the last R hit space, img. So now we're only hitting images that are inside the box containers. So we put the transition in that one. Just as before, we are going to add a box container for the next part. Now when we did hover for our logo, we're going to do the same here. So just after the img, you hit colon and then you hit hover. And you create your curly brackets, and in here we're going to use the grayscale. And grayscale in CSS starts with filter. There we go. And then you start typing gray, and you can see it's right here. Hit enter. And then between the parentheses, you're going to add the value of grayscale. Now 0 would be full color, 50% would take half the color, and 100% will take all of the colors from the images. So I click save, and remember these are the two lines you can actually see by indication of the green markers out here. This is where I write new code. So save, go to browser and hit refresh, and once I hover this image, it should slowly, or within half a second, to go from full color to gray. And again, when I move out, fade back into it. So right now we're just adding more to our transition, and we are going to continue trying to do a little bit more with this.